So what steels are, once we've sorted the fruity one, what ones are left? So we have angled one there above the opening to the large area. We've got one going back here, so it sits on that wall, attaches to that one. We've also got one going from there across to there. We've got one going from there across to there, which is where the staircase is, and there's another set up there, so that goes across there. And we've got those 2 posts going onto those pads. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more to do over there. That should be the end of next week because those ones are coming. The steel company for these ones are doing it on site, so they're going to fabricate it for us. Because they're angled, it's much more annoying to get everything right. They're just coming over here and they're going to do whatever special welds they've got to do to hold all that in place, make sure it's all lovely, and they're going to sort those ones out for us. So let's talk about this fruity steel. So on that big opening at the back, you can see the steel's just sitting on top of those 2 pad stones. Let me zoom in. You can see there's a pad stone there and a pad stone there. And that marking you can see is the bearing it needs. And the bearing is how far into the wall it's got to be. So at the moment, it's a perfect bearing that side and it's too much that side, which is fine. It's slightly further over. It'll need to come back, and when it just gives us the flexibility to move that still where we need, and we've still got the bearing both sides. Where this cavity is 50 mil, it's the existing house, and the new cavity over there is bigger. It means that we have to change the layout of the wall, or how the wall's made. So rather than having an inner course, a cavity, and an outer course, on the second floor of this house, it's going to be an inner course, and then it'll just be insulation on the outside with the cladding directly to it. There's a membrane going through and all sorts of other bits we've got to do to keep the building control happy. But what it means is when we worked out where that post was going, we didn't take into consideration the spec of the wall above. So it's our fault, we just put it in the wrong place. So we're gonna have to today take that post out, move it over slightly so it's perfectly in line. And then we can put the really big steel in, which goes on top of that one, to the side of that one, and to the side of that one. So we won't be getting to that steel now, probably till Monday. We also saw that the steel company didn't send us 12 bolts, so we should have picked up on that as well. We didn't, so it's actually quite good that it didn't work, because even if it was perfect, we didn't have any bolts. It's also nice when some of the materials turn up. So there's the 150 mil insulation, and that's going to go across the flooring on everything next week. We've also had in loads of timber. So that is the timber that will start doing the floor joists, the flat roof joists around there, and that is not everything. That is literally most of it, but we absolutely cleared them out because we took all their 4.8 lengths because we needed quite big widths, and all their 3 meters. So we're a couple short, which will be here Monday, Tuesday.